I'm up top. Way.
Laz is gonna meet me back here.
All right, I got the guy out in the corner down there just now.
Yeah. You want to sweep around the back?
Yeah, sure. It's kind of exposed here.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for Lazarus to get back up here. And
okay.
These guys have been stuck right there. They've all been standing there for 10 minutes.
Yeah, sounds good.
Maybe we can help them.
Sounds good.
Here comes our other guys. They're in the trailer.
Yeah?
Yeah, I saw a couple of them in there.
Yep.
I like how they're not picking those.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, motherfucker.
They're walking out to you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they were like...
Now they're yelling at us.
They were ignoring them at first.
Where they at?
On the corner.
On the corner and inside on that end.
They have inside.
They're inside. Yeah. They're in the trailer too.
We're about to go around. We're going to go around back.
You might got a name?
No.
We got 2 people up here, one's hiding behind a car.
And then let's.
I'm going to go around back, right?
Oh, we're going back. There's no entrance.
Okay.
Well, I don't need to. We don't need. Is there even a flag in here?
Yeah, there's a flag right there.
Okay, then we'll go in here.
But they're in the trailer, and trailer's got a bead on that flag. Hold on, I'm loading the mag. I'm loading the mag. Let me get the mag.
Duck down.
Get behind here, dog.
Yeah, they're in the trailer.
Where's he at? Around this corner?
Dead left on the wall.
Hey guys, before you do anything, let me get in there and watch, okay?
We're gonna need nades for that trailer.
I know.
Alright,
Push left, so I think there's that two there.
I'm on you.
Is that dude still in that room? Oh, you got him out there.
I'm gonna hit you in the back, bro.
Hey, watch out for the opening of that trailer.
What about over here, though?
No, we're safe. I'm going through here.
All right, go ahead, I guess.
Go! Oh, hit!
Did we get him?
No, I don't know.
Hey, let's do it again.
You guys both out?
Hey, watch here. Watch here.
I got one in trailer.
Watch these guys.
Switch this hand.
I want to congratulate this guy.
I'm dead.
There?
He's right here.
Yeah, he's looking. I can see you.
You got a smaller gun, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't know if that was legal, man.
There's still 2 back there.
Yeah. I know where they're at.
He didn't hit me. You totally missed, bro.
Alright, there.
He's out.
Clear!
He's out.
I'm dead. Good stuff, guys. Good job, guys.
Hey, come here for a minute, you two. Come here.
Landon, get the flag! Get the flag!
Hey, what's up?
Watch the trailer.
You're, you gotta learn to
I don't know.
Good job, guys.
There's a flag right there.
It's right here.
How do we get out of here?
Okay. Well, we got this, you got that. Yeah. You get the right, I got the left. Inside's clear.
Watch the trailer.
We have black on the other side, we're good. Sorry.
There's green right on the other side of this wall. Oh, hit. Hey. Coming out.
Dead man, coming out. Green up there? Is that green? Black. We got the flag. Can you get out of there? Or you stuck?
I don't know where he got shot from.
Where's the other flag? It's on the other side of the trailer.
All right, I got the flag here, but I don't know where Lazarus got shot from.
Bear, come out. Come on. Hey, let's get the other flag. Let's go other flag.
The other flag over there?
Yeah, other flag. Put it in your pocket.
putting your hoodie top.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Got him. Got one. One's coming out.
My back.
Got me covered.
Go.
All right. Now, if we want to work on the trailer, we can.
All right, let's go mountain back.
You got it?
Yeah, we got the flag.
Flag's ours.